Do you know that you can now translate Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa on your famous YouTube channel? Oh my goodness! Do you know? And if you don't, today I'll be showing you how to translate your amazing videos into Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. What are you waiting for? Come, let me show you how it is done. Shall we? Let's go. The first thing you do is to go to the video you would like to translate. So the moment you come into your platform like this, you go to your videos, you choose the video you would like to use to translate into other languages. So I'll be clicking on this video, and the moment it opens, I'll be going over to this section called Analytics. When you click on it, when it opens, just wait patiently. You'll be going over to this section here called Subtitle. You click on it. When you click on this section, you're going to see I have languages already here. So we'll be choosing our famous Nigerian languages. Okay? The first thing you do, you go to this part written Add Language. You click on it. And then you patiently scroll down to look for our Nigerian languages. So the first language you'll be seeing here is the Hausa. Here, have you seen it? Here, the Hausa. You click on it. So we've gotten Hausa. You go again. You go look for the next language. So the next language we'll be seeing here is called the Yoruba. Have you seen it? So we have the Hausa, we have the Yoruba. So let's go. We have one more. They have three amazing Nigerian languages you can use for now on YouTube. And you can see here the Igbo. Have you seen it? We have Hausa, we have Igbo, and we have Yoruba. So how do you translate this video into Hausa? You come this way to this section here. From here, you just come here, you click on Add. When you click on Add, you go to this section written Auto Translate. Can you see it? You click on it. It's going to show the language. Can you see the language? This is the language. So for those of you that understand Hausa, please read it and tell us in the comment section if really this is Hausa, okay? So you come here, this section, they wrote publish, and you publish. That is all. Simple as ABC. Now, if you look at here, you're going to see that it has written published. So anybody that speaks Hausa that comes into my YouTube channel and sees this video, the moment they start watching it, they are going to see that it is showing them in Hausa, the video. Okay? Then the next one is the Igbo. So we're going to still go here. We'll click on Igbo to auto translate, and we click on it. The same thing, you can see it. So please, my Igbo people, write in the comment section if this indeed is Igbo, right? You go again, you click on publish. That is it. Voila, you are done. Absolutely easy. Then the last but not the least is the Yoruba. You come the same here, you click on it. So we're going to click on auto translate, and I want my Yoruba people to also do the same. Go to the comment section and tell me, is this our languages or not? Put it in the comment section, and I'm going to click on publish. So tell me if YouTube got it And if yes, please tell them YouTube thank you. And also do one more thing. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, you share. Share this video to a lot of people to learn how to use Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba to translate their videos to get more views and more people to watch their channel. Everyone can now watch your channel in Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo to understand what you are teaching. And I tell you the truth, it will bring more people to your channel and it will make your channel become more popular, more growth. And if you're not monetized, you can be monetized very, very fast. So if this helped you out, give it a big thumbs up and share it to someone who needs it. Comment below with the language you're translating to. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And make sure you watch the next video that will pop up as this video ends. Remember, time is currency. Be focused. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.